Hi, in this video we're going to look at the three-way match report. The three-way match report is a report that compares the invoice data with the PO and the GRN data in order to look for any mismatches or variances in terms of the total amount or the quantity or the unit price for the items in the invoice. So in order to look at the report, go to reports and then select three-way match. So at the top, we'll show you based on the data that we've compared in this period, what is the total amount of variance, how many invoices are there with the variance, and are there any invoices without PO or GRNs. So let's take a look at the invoices that are listed on this page. Let's click on this second invoice. We can see that there is a variance in the amount of the invoice and the PO. And then there is also the mismatches in terms of the quantity, and this invoice also does not have any GRNs linked to it. So let's take a look by clicking into it. So here we are showing in details, line by line, the unit prices of the items in the orders and invoice. And also when it comes to the quantity, we are comparing the three documents, and we found out that because there is no GRN, that's the reason for the mismatch. Let's try another invoice here. In this case, all three documents are present, and the quantities match in all the three documents. But when it comes to the unit price, we can see that what's charged in the invoice is actually cheaper than what's on the PO. This chart at the top shows the top 20 invoices with the largest variance. In this case, because there's only 6 documents here that we're comparing, that's why there are only 6 bars at the top on the chart here. Here you can also filter by different conditions. You can filter by outlet, or you can filter invoices by supplier, or you can choose to only see certain type of mismatches, such as quantity mismatch or unit price mismatch. So other than that, you can click on the by supplier tab to see only invoices from certain suppliers. So here you can see for Good Tiding, there are total 4 invoices that were compared for the report. And out of the 4, all 4 of them have variance. And the total variance is $37.20. If you click on the supplier, you'll just go into the details page with only the invoices from this supplier. Now, there's also another way to access the report, just by going to the invoices page. And you just select any of the invoices here, and let's click into one of them. So just click on the invoice matching tab at the top, and that's how you get into the invoice matching report, or the three-way match report for this invoice. That's all for three-way match report.